Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Guide Hub. In this video, we will be learning how to unblock someone on Threads. To unblock someone on Threads, first you have to tap Open your application. Make sure that you are logged in. After this, tap on the profile icon located on the bottom right. Now tap on the two lines located on the top right. Here, tap on Privacy. Some settings such as restrict apply to both Threads and Instagram and can be managed on Instagram as well. By tapping on block profiles, you will see your block profiles from Instagram and Threads both. And here you have to tap on unblock button right next to the account you want to unblock. A confirmation pop-up will appear and you have to tap on unblock. And here you go, you have successfully unblocked the account. Now you can unblock other accounts as well. That's it for today's video. Hope you guys find this tutorial helpful. If yes, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Press the bell icon so you never miss out to our videos. Goodbye till then.